Hey YouTube, Timmy Claw Machine here with another video back at it for you again. So today I have one of my gumball machines. Wait, stand back. So today I have one of my gumball machines off location. It was broken. But there was a hack to this. And it only works sometimes. So I'm going to show you how it works. And it only happens on certain kinds of gumball machines. But, like, it's, I don't know why it does this, but somehow it does it every time. It just keeps on popping out gumball But here, you want to go down here, you want to take this, and here, crank it. Just, look, wait. So look, there's nothing in there. See, there's no cords in there. See, no cords. And look. Oh, man. And it does it a lot sometimes. Is it doing it still?
Yeah.
What? No. I don't know why it does it. But, yo, Connell, give it a shot.
What?
Give it a shot. I swear there's nothing in here. Clank it.
Again?
Yeah.
Oh, thanks.
You can clean out a whole gumball machine. So, you can literally clean out a whole gumball machine. So, if you like this video, make sure to subscribe and like. If you want to see more videos, subscribe, like, and stuff. I'll see you. Yeah, turn on post notifications like Convo said.
Never miss a video again.
Yeah. You want to shout out your channel?
Roar space BTW.
Say it again.
ROHR space BTW.
Yep, go check him out, Convo Rohrbach. Alright, that's gonna do it. Timmy Claw Machine here, and peace out.